Hello guys, welcome. And in this shorts, we'll see what is one-liner array operations. Let's have an array, const array. Let's say 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we have this array, and let's say we want all the even number from this array. So we can have like an even const, which will store all the even numbers, and we can do array dot filter here, and num, and if num not 2, we can go to 0, 3 equal, and we'll have control dot log all the even numbers in this array. Okay. So we have these two. So in one liner array operations, so what we can do there, in one liner we can just reduce this two line to one. Okay, so let's have const even. Okay, and here instead of like having like extra array like this here, we can have this whole array here, and we can just do filter and the condition. So this is called one liner array because you are doing everything in one line. Okay, and if we console dot log event, it will show error because we have two same name variables. So let's change them and even two. If we run, we have two same arrays, and this one is called one-liner array operation. Let's just use array operation in the same line. So that is it. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.